guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this Amazon wig. I did a quick little install. It's a 4x4 closure and it is pretty long, really good quality, minimal shedding, and this is what the hair looks like, just freshly washed and fingers ran through it. I haven't done any styling or anything. So if you're interested in this wig and want to see more, just keep watching. Make sure that you click the subscribe button and follow me on all of my social medias. Thank you guys.
Go ahead, little baby, just come here. Say they want smoke, bro, gun out. Say you run up, girl, but him. Go ahead, little baby, just come here. Go ahead, little baby.
So here I'm just showing you guys the packaging that it came with when I got it out of the mail. So I'm just going to open it up here and show you guys. On the bag, you can see that it does say 28 inches. So it does come with this little weaving cap. I usually never wear those when they come. I always get like a nude cap, but since I'm not going to really be installing this, since it's my first 4x4 closure wig, and I'm just going to, put my hair back, then I'm going to use it. But I'm showing you what the hair looks like. That's how it came in a net, 28 inches, body wave. I'm running my fingers through it and no hair is really shedding. I'm showing you guys all the combs and the amount of parting space there in the front. And I smelled it because, hey, I wanted to see if it had a funky smell to it. It didn't have a really bad smell. It did have a slight smell, but it wasn't like really bad. So I did make my way here to the bathroom, and now you're just gonna see me taking off my wig that I have here. The braids that I have underneath this wig weren't as flat as I wanted it to be for this particular wig. Now that I see that it's a 4x4, I kind of need my hair to be braided a certain way so it can lay a little bit flatter. But I am just going ahead and putting this net cap over it so it can protect my hair. And I'm taking the wig, again, I'm showing it to you what it looks like on the inside, and I'm just seeing if it fits my head, really. I'm seeing how the part will lay, how I want to style it. Yeah, you see that braid was really big, so it was making the wig fit a little tight. I was trying to push it down and everything. I'm like, what's going on here? And plus I just wanted to see how I look with black hair, because I usually wear my hair blonde or lighter brown colors. So it's been a while since I've had dark hair, maybe a couple months, but since the weather is getting a little bit colder now, I wanted to, try darker hair. But yeah, so I'm pushing the wig down again just to see. You can see how transparent that lace is. It really does look like scalp, as you can see, but my braid is in the way. But if I did not have that braid in the way, you would see scalp. So I'm just combing through it just to make sure it's not really shedding or anything. Detangling it, but you can also see that there's like a huge bump on the top of my head. So that's when I was like, yeah, I'm just going to take this wig off. I'm going to braid my hair straight back so it can lay flat and not create a huge bulge. Also, I want to show you guys the sides. I did not know that in this, like a 4x4 wig, that the sides would not be like lace front. I'm so used to lace front wigs where it go ear to ear, so I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? But I see the hair does cover it, so it's not that big of a deal. So again, I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack. I haven't washed it yet, but I'm about to get ready and rebraid my braids that are underneath so it can lay a little bit flatter. And I'm going to go ahead and wash this wig. Maybe it'll be a little bit more wavy. So here's the shampoo that I use. That will be linked in the bio. And also, here is what it looks like washed. I went ahead and washed it, and the waves are coming out. So this is how flat it looks since I've braided it down and washed it. This is how long it is. About right here. And it looks pretty flat now. It's pretty flat. Pretty flat. So now I'm probably going to go in and cut the lace. And put some concealer on the part because it really doesn't need that much customization. So I'll be back. So here I'm just combing through, and I've got my Got To Be Glue styling gel so I can go ahead and apply the wig now that it's washed and clean. Gonna apply a small little amount here since it's only a 4x4, so I'm only gonna apply it on the lace. So now that I've applied the Got To Be glue, I'm about to go and get my blow dryer and blow dry it until the glue is tacky and warm, so that way I know that it is. Now that I'm finished drying the lace and that I see that it is melted, I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and cut very close. very carefully across the 4x4. I'm trying to make sure I get it as close as possible because I don't want a whole bunch of lace that I have to put foundation on so it can match my skin. As you can see on the ends there, they're still sticking up a little bit, so I just go back and press it down and comb it. And that little piece was just a little bit too big for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off some more. So here I'm taking some foundation, that's my skin tone, and I'm putting it on the part so it won't have this white cast look. As you can see, like before it had like this white cast look. So I'm just putting some foundation on the part so it can just match my skin, and also I'm putting the foundation on where I had cut the lace in the front just a little bit, and making sure I blend it out throughout the whole part from the front to the back. And now that I put the foundation on, I'm just gonna comb and actually part the part. I did kind of put the foundation on there a little bit sloppy with some hairs on there, but I really wanted to get the foundation really in there just to make it look a little bit more natural. Here's the final install and look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button and follow me on all my socials. Thanks again.
Go ahead, little baby, just come out. Jelly want smoke, bro, gun out. Jelly run up, girl, but Go ahead, little baby, just come out. Go ahead, little baby.